Lecture 5 is divided into two parts. The part 1, key to sales. Meeting sales goals is really easy, even in the good times. No one ever beat a path to your door. So now it's just harder for people who sell in a bidding market. It's a new blame game. Bids list that used to have 3 or 4 healthy competitors on them suddenly have 15 or 20 starving buzzards squawking for meat. So what do you do? Here are 8 suggestions that may help. Number 1, determined to success. One problem in business is our confusion between decision making and problem solving. When we set a goal, a decision, and fail to achieve it, a problem, we tend to fault the goal. Don't just lower your goals and blame it on an economy. Be a leader, be a problem solver, clarify the obstacles, find creative solutions, and take appropriate actions. Never lose a customer. The old rule that it costs 5 times more to get a new customer than to keep an old one is obsolete. In a tough economy, it is at least 10 times more. Service good customers as if they were your first and only. Go out of your way to exceed their expectations. Just imagine that your competitors are knocking on your customer's door. By the way, they probably are. Focus on relationships. When times are good, people will act out of convenience. But when times are tough, you find out who really cares. Over the next years or so, the value of relationships to success in a sales will increase. Your job is to strengthen as many relationships as you possibly can before it's too late. Be honest, be a good listener, be helpful, be there. Go the extra mile and stay in touch with people who change companies. They may be able to open new doors for you. Number third, increase market research. If you lose a customer, find out why. If you win a customer, find out why. If you want a customer, find out what he really needs and provide it. Your mixture of ask and tells in the course of a day should be leaning towards questions. Don't be bashful. Ask them. Tug at loose edges. Try to get the emotional levels of people's buying motives. Break the rule and make the deal with your while your competitors try to figure out what happened. Ask, listen, and respond to the information you get. Help others to succeed. This is an attitude you must have to succeed. What you give out will come back. If you try to sell anything just because it's good deal for you, you will be in trouble. Think of it this way. Friends don't sell things to their friends, but they do help them get what they want. And only your friends will tell you what they really want. Think big. The difficulty with this economy is only partly a function of money. It's really more a function of change. People's needs are changing. Businesses respond and changes. For every door that closes, another will open. For every relationship that ends, another can begin. If you focus on the negatives and construct your thinking, you will miss some great opportunities. In fact, fortunes will be made because of the tough economy. You just need to make yours. So think big for your long term goals, but the realistic with your short term goals. This opens your mind to possibilities while bolstering your confidence. To get succeed in sales, be stick on clarity, conciseness, concreteness, completeness, correctness, and courtesy. Guys, hope this lecture will be interesting for you and you have learned a lot so far. Next lecture is ahead for you. Thank you.